Ho hum. Blame me now. This is the bedroom I've moved to. It's much bigger than the first one. This all not filming very well because I'm really filming the train, but it's still going by. Going by for about 20 minutes now. It must be a couple of miles long. See how big it is? I can't really send it to you because still going by the train. See, it's much bigger. Lots of windows. Bathrooms here. That's my hand. It's not really a big bathroom. Shower, toilet, basin. But the other one, you should have seen it. I don't think they wash much here. Now let's see if that train's still going by. Oh, it seems to have... What's happened to it? Here we are. There's the window again. Gone. No, it's stopped. There's another one. No idea. Anyway, there you are. Bye bye.